Hey, what's up? I mean, what's up with your geyser? You know, up in your ceiling. You probably only think about it when there's no hot water, right? But do you actually know what's up? What make is your geyser? Is it new? Is it old? Is it working properly? Still under warranty? Or is it a ticking time bomb just waiting to burst? Remember that even the best geysers have a 10 to 15-year lifespan. So, what's up with maintaining and replacing your geyser? Good geyser maintenance begins with an inspection at least once a year, preferably by a trained professional. But how does a technician actually check what's up? First, by examining the exterior for corrosion, rust or leaks, checking your electrical cabling and connections, testing if the pressure release valve is working properly, adjusting your temperature settings on the thermostat, checking whether the anode needs to be replaced, and flushing sediment from the geyser if necessary, all of which aims to improve the safety and efficiency of your geyser, reducing energy consumption and extending its life. But what's up if your geyser needs to be replaced? Factors include any persistent, unfixable leaks, extensive rust and corrosion or discolored water, decreased energy efficiency, consuming more to heat water, and overall age, future risks, and maintenance. Of course, we believe the answer to what's up should always be Ariston, because we have been a global specialist in water heating for over 60 years. Our innovative energy-conscious products are designed to last, delivering sustainable comfort for longer with less energy and effort, so we can all continue to enjoy life at home and on our planet. What's up? Ariston, of course.